Hello and very welcome to our Depence² tutorial series. Based on this video, you will be able to create a unique terrain within the Depence² 3D world. For this, we have to select one of the terrain sculpting tools available in the toolbar on the left. The Terrain Surface tool window will now be viewable on the right side of the screen, giving you access to all the different tool settings. In general, there are 5 different sculpturing modes. These are the lowering tool, the rising tool, the uneven tool, the smoothing tool and the flatten tool. Once you are moving your mouse on the terrain within the 3D view, you will see an indicator on the area of effect of your selected tool. By clicking and/or holding the left mouse button, you will now edit the terrain. Change the size of the tool by using the tool radius parameter in the settings window. While sculpting your terrain, you can also set limits like the minimum or maximum height. This can be used to create ponds, lakes or pools very easily. The same goes for the rising tool. The uneven tool uses a randomly generated editing mode where grades and depths will be created by chance. This can be used to make your scene look way more natural. To beautify your terrain, just use the smoothing tool as it planes the terrain to erase far too bold areas. By using the flatten tool, pick just one level of the terrain you would like to spread, click there, hold your left mouse button and draw a perfect flat plane on this specific level. Within the Terrain tool, you also will find the option to import a height map, which is basically a specific black and white image. You can get height maps online or by using the export functions of programs such as Google Earth. While editing your terrain, you might want to disable the limited camera distance, which is locked by default. Just go to Camera and deselect Limit Pick Distance. You can now move way more freely while working.